Hello everyone, Namaste, Tashi Dilek. What a wonderful day in nature. In Africa we are in spring, which is very beautiful. Look at everything and look at our beautiful center behind us. It all looks so good and wonderful. Nature is alive and wonderful. Nature is consciousness. So that brings me to my quick talk today about rapture or ascension. So we had a group in this country and maybe overseas that were thinking a week back they're going to get raptured and taken off the earth and away from here. So I don't want to speak against any religion, but if I think of the word rapture and the way it's been done, I think rapture is a cop-out. Rapture is running away. Rapture is running away from your responsibility. We on this beautiful earth has been given us to look after. Gaia, it's got consciousness. So why would we want to run away from the responsibility that's been given to us to look after the earth and to help the consciousness of this planet to evolve? We are here with a purpose, each and every living being, to evolve the consciousness of this planet, to look after it, to look after its nature, to look after its resources, and eventually evolve to a state of the fifth dimension. So people, the new earth and heaven is not somewhere else, it is here. And the responsibility is here for us to make a change here. So for us, when we make the change here, and when this earth is changed to the fifth dimensional earth, that is ascension. That is evolvement of consciousness. What a great achievement. Not a cop-out, not running away because I'm getting raptured. I had enough of this earth, so I can't do it. I have actually destroyed this earth because this earth has been destroyed by the inhabitants of this planet, and it's their responsibility to change it and to evolve this planet in consciousness, to evolve it and to ascend to the fifth dimensional consciousness. This is a responsibility. So I would say ascension, yeah, it's a far more better bet than rapture. I'm not copping out, I'm staying. I'm here to make the change that is needed and to give the compassion that is needed. We don't have to run away. Thank you everyone. Have a beautiful day on Mother Earth, also called Gaia. And yes, like the Buddha said, the earth is my witness. Thank you. Bye.